OFRA is one of my favorite brands for highlighters. They're so beautiful. I love the packaging as well, the design of the powders. So I have this one here. This is the OFRA Pure Glow Finishing Powder. This one is in light. They do have 3 different ones. All new liquid to baked finishing powder that adds light reflecting pigments to the face for a naturally illuminated finish. This retails for $35. Cruelty free, vegan, blendable. New Lotus print, clear, compact, effortless luminosity, can be used as a highlighter for subtle glow. This is made in the USA. Why I always struggle so much with packaging. It's like struggle. Nice. It's a bit bulky, but it's cute. Let's see this Lotus. Wow, isn't that gorgeous? I can't wait to test out this formula. That looks so pretty. I don't think I've tried a new highlighter in like a good amount of time. Oh, by the way, before I forget, everything I talk about I always listed in the description, so go ahead and check it out if you would like. Now I'm gonna swatch it. As like, I don't want to touch it because it's just so gorgeous, so gorgeous. Oh, wow. I hope this camera's picking up. No, it's not gonna pick it up. I don't see it the same way on camera. Let me try to swatch it. I'm just like putting my finger here in the middle because I don't want to like mess up the design. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. This was another swatch that I did. I just tested out a blush, so don't mind that. So it's like more on like kind of a gold side, but not too gold. Definitely not pink. That is so gorgeous. I'm ready to apply this. See, it's cream, so I want to see how well does it do with a brush. If not, we'll go in with our fingers. I'm gonna do it like with a brush like this. See how well it works. Are you guys ready? Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Wow, that is so pretty. For some reason, I feel like I want to try it with my finger instead on the other side. This brush is not really like for highlight, but you can use your brushes for whatever you like. But I think this color is perfect. I feel like I'm like it's staying like on top of the skin. I really want it to melt into the skin. So I'm going to try with my finger on this side. And just like pat it and try to like blend it. And you can tell like this thing is buildable. Like it could get really intense if you would want. You can see like right now it just looks like a streak. Where here I can just like blend it more. Depends what brush you use too. But any cream product, I really like to go in with like my finger, or maybe you can use like a sponge. But it looks really nice. I don't know if I would say like it blends into the skin, maybe because I have like a really matte base, so it just like sits on top. Let me know if you've tried it. I don't know. What do you think? And I also love to apply it on my Cupid's bow. Just blend it out a bit. And sometimes I also love to apply like to a nice lipstick and just like place it in the middle for a glow. Or even without lipstick. Like it just looks so nice. I don't know, I love it. What do you guys think? It looks really nice. I love the shade. Love the shade. Anytime I try out a highlighter, I do like I can't be controlled. Like I feel like I have to keep applying and applying. Like I can't stop. I know some people put it like on the bridge of their nose. I get super oily. Even though the products I use today are gonna keep me like really nice and matte. But like I don't like to add any shine on this area, but you can totally do that wherever you want shine. I also want to put it like in the inner corner. Oh my god, so many ways to use this. And this is like a pretty nice amount. So this is probably gonna last you a really long time. Depends, everybody, you know, will use it differently. But I wasn't surprised. It's OFRA, so they do have amazing products. Look at that. I actually, hold on. Thing here from OFRA, this is the Good to Go palette. Let me just see which one this is. Oh wow, look at this. These shades are not what I'm most excited about. This, like this whole highlighter thing is what I die for. Plus, this is a really nice color. All their palettes that come like this are amazing. I love face palettes that have like everything in them. Eyes, face, love that. Love it. And OFRA has many of them. So, what do you guys think? That is some beautiful glow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.